Hi guys, hope you're doing well and welcome back. I also do hope that you had a great Christmas, as did I. This video is basically about a cooking marathon because I spent the better part of the day just cooking. Our friends were coming over for a sleepover and I just wanted to host them in a special way. They did enjoy every bit of it and I'm so glad I got to do it. Anyway guys, if you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization and home decor. I do a lot of cleaning and homemaking videos, and if that is your area of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. By the way guys, when cooking any food, I rarely use spices unless when I want to bake the food in question or something. It does depend. I also do always blanch the tomatoes before I use them. And I don't use tomato paste because my hubby has a problem in his stomach. So whenever I use any spice or tomato paste, he tends to suffer a lot. So the best remedy is try to avoid them altogether. I cook two types of chicken. I steam the Kienyeji one, then this is broiler which I want to bake in the oven. I'll first of all clean it using vinegar, and because the vinegar helps in killing the germs, then later on I'll marinate it for like 30 minutes before I put it in the oven. By the way, oregano and paprika are two of my most favorite spices whenever I'm baking a chicken. Because I don't know, the chicken will never taste the same when I don't put oregano and paprika. In as much as I'll be using other spices, but the two must always be there. Now let me tell you one funny story. In this house, I never cook chapati. On a serious note, I never do. My hubby does all the time, and he does it so well, but I think it's because he likes chapati so much and I don't. But on this occasion, he was not around and I had to do it. So I did it and they were so yummy. For the shapes, please let's talk about it some other time because I guarantee you that I tried my best.